With a vision to uplift sports culture within the region, Karbi Students Association Tekalangjun branch in collaboration with KSA Malongari branch organized football tournament at Tekalangjun, which concluded successfully on 28th of November. The tournament was organized at Chekso Langso Playground, Malongari, Tekalangjun. The closing ceremony was chaired by Joydas Terang, President of KSA Tekalangjun branch. Mir Jengkro, Vice President of KSA Central Executive Committee, attended as the chief guest of the event. Barnabas Killing, Cultural Secretary, CEC, Jising Ronghang, Vice President, B.Ed College, and several dignitaries of the region attended the closing ceremony of the football tournament. The final match of the tournament was played between Aturkimi FC and KSA Malongari at full time. KSA Malongari branch scored 3 goals while Aturkimi managed to score only 2 goals against KSA Malongari. Therefore, KSA Malongari bagged the victory title of the season.
See, lahai tournament ki bhi ke lage isi platform ki bhi eltoma da local players atumhan alang li tumhan baching thuri phan apen la sports culture ke wanji phan chotkali okpran ke me nahi koso se la sports culture development eltom okpran ke me makhala bang so ta isi idea ki bora.
Something in this report from Dokmuka for Karbi Anglong Live.